Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. Thank you so much for joining. In today's video, you are going to see how I apply this everyday makeup look. Let's get started. First, I want to tell you what I use for my skincare. So I like the Timewise Repair Voluform Foaming Cleanser. They also like to use a Skin Vigorate cleansing brush as well, just for that extra exfoliation when I actually apply it. Always recommend using a washcloth as well. So don't just rinse it off and then pat it dry with a towel. If you do that, I bet you every once in a while you probably get a little breakout. It's because you've clogged a pore because some residue has been left on your skin. So just a little side tip there. These are like my little best friends, Clinical Solutions Boosters. And this one is called HA for hyaluronic acid ceramide booster. And it's a hydrator. And I love the fact that I can just put a little bit of this onto my skin. That one I use every single day, morning and night. The other booster that I do put on, because I have a little bit of melasma and just some skin discoloration from sun damage, I do wear my sunscreen every day. However, I do live in sunny California and I love being outside. So the other one that I put on is this ferulic niacinamide brightener. And I'm just gonna do a couple little dabs. This has helped my skin dramatically. At night, what I do is I include this vitamin C plus E replenishing serum. I just want my skin all evening while it's resting and rejuvenating to have that vitamin C on and just absorbing and doing its thing. So I find that I alternate between the brightener and then the vitamin C. This area around our skin is very thin, and over time it just dehydrates faster than the rest of our skin as we age. What I do is I go ahead and take my hydrogel eye patches, and I keep a jar of these in the refrigerator so they're nice and cool. And it helps to wake me up. So sometimes I call these Starbucks for my eyes. They're kind of like little caffeine boosters for my eyeballs in the morning to help wake me up. They are so soothing to the skin and just help to wake up the eyes, and also to help with that extra hydration that you'll need later on as you're applying your under eye corrector more specifically. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my moisturizer. The one that I like the most is the day cream with sunscreen SPF 30, and it's from the Timewise Repair line. So I love that. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a concealer on my lid. I have another video where I go through step by step how to actually apply your eyebrows. It's pretty fabulous. Be sure to check it out. But the reason I love this particular pencil is it's got this really fine tip to it. So literally precision. And I just kind of draw these feathery little hair-like strokes on my eyebrows. It's a really pretty color, this one right here that I'm applying. I have the rose gold on the lid, and then this is the Sunlit Rose. And then I'm just gonna kind of smooth out the edges. See how it kind of just softens it up a little bit on the corners there, but I'm not mixing the colors together. So that's the everyday look that I put on. And then I do like to put a little bit of this color here, either crystalline or moonstone is another really pretty color. And I just put a tiny bit on the inside corners of my eyes just to kind of brighten them up a little bit. Just gives them a little bit of a pop. Two lining products, Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner right along the lash line. Now, one of my absolute favorites. This is the waterproof liquid liner. This one I'm gonna apply on the very top of my lid. Just short little strokes. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our mascara on. This is my absolute favorite mascara. It is phenomenal. So next up, I'm gonna apply the rest of my face. So we're gonna take these lovely eye gels off and just kind of tap with my ring finger around my eye area. Feels so moisturizing, hydrating, soothing, amazing, love it. I don't worry at all if my moisturizer looks a tad bit shiny because I follow up always every day with a foundation primer. Whether I'm wearing foundation that day or not, I apply this primer. It just helps to matte out the skin. It puts this really nice silky layer that just smooths out all of the pores on your skin so that when the foundation is applied, it just looks more smooth. Once you use a foundation primer, you cannot go without it. I'm just telling you. I just take a tiny little bit, massage it into my hands so it gets nice and warm, and then I just apply it over my face there. Foundations that I love are these two. My favorites. There's a matte and a luminous wear. Okay, so it seems to cover me for all the reasons. For matte to help cover up pores, and then also a luminous finish, so it's a little more dewy of a look. Let's say like right in here, you can see where I have just a little bit of a shadowy area. That's where my eyes get a little puffy in this little area here. What you don't want to do is just grab a concealer and go all underneath your eyes like this. You just don't want to do that. It's too much product and you're not addressing the color correction part of it first. So you want to do that. And by that, I use this under eye corrector. It is in a peach tone. So it is something that helps to neutralize the dark circle that can appear underneath our eyes. So I'm applying it just right in that shadowy area. So you have to address the discoloration. Now I'm going to take this nice cream brush, which I love, and I'm just going to kind of dab it right on top of where that shadowy area is. Okay. So that way it just helps to take out the focus really of that under eye area, because I don't really need that under eye corrector all underneath my eye area. I just need it in those shadowy areas. I'm going to go ahead and apply my cheek color now, and then I'll finish with my lips. Now I am going to apply just a little bit of a translucent powder to set underneath the eye area. And raspberry ice for my lip color. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more beauty tips to come. And also make sure to get your free beauty guide. I have a makeup guide you can find in the link in the description below, and I want you to have that free gift from me to you. So I will see you next time.